Police found shot to death in Central Village, St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is the Link 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF is mourning as another member, Corporal Delwyn Jackson, who was stationed in Glengough, St. Catherine, was reportedly shot and killed by unknown assailants in Central Village, St. Catherine. Reports are that the lawman left work on Tuesday to purchase a motor car. In video circulating on social media, the officer is seen lying on his side beside a motor car in the middle of the street. The Constabulary Corporate Communications Unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force have confirmed the death of the cop, but won't provide any more information just yet. Corporal Jackson, who was attached to the Glengough station in St. Catherine, was killed about 8 o'clock in Big Lane. The police believe that his firearm was also stolen. Superintendent Christopher Phillips, commanding officer for St. Catherine South Police Division, told reporters that another body was found close to the location where Corporal Jackson was killed. The preliminary information is suggesting that he might have been the taxi driver, but the body is still unidentified. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.